Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are enjoying the readings. Do like the channel, subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to be updated as and when I bring my courses. Do leave your comments as to how you feel the readings are, and if you're not a part of my WhatsApp group where we post our tips, where we talk about our products and other workshops, then you can WhatsApp to my number and be added in the team in the WhatsApp group. So let's see what is the cards talking today. Okay, the Empress card. So I feel today the day is going to be good, it's going to be in control, but maybe you are looking away and not seeing the reality of something, because I see this card as a person looking away, and in the front there is a rose. The Deviant Tarot always has beautiful images, though some images look little haywire, but overall I feel it talks a lot of things. So what are you looking away from is what was the question I asked. Maybe there is some work which needs your immediate attention. Now, this work can be even personal work, but it needs your attention, and if you miss it, then you might end up having a major issue. So, I would suggest if you can, focus on it and see what has to be done and overcome it, because I feel you are not addressing the issue because you're scared. What if it doesn't come in your favor? But if you do it, I feel it is going to come in your favor, and you are going to be happy that you took the decision and you sorted the work. Let's see one more card. Again, there's a Queen of Swords, so I feel you will be victorious. I think with just the energies of the card, I feel you will be able to handle the situation beautifully. Maybe you already know what has to be done in the situation where you are postponing it for quite some time. You know what has to be done, it is just that your heart and your mind are not going in sync. So maybe today what you can do is, in the morning, have bath with little milk in your bath water, and after that, today wear the color yellow, so that your solar plexus will get strengthened and you will know that you're taking the right decision. And also in the morning, if you can do Surya Mudra, because Surya Mudra will give you beautiful energies. And if you still feel you're not able to take the right decision, then maybe what you can do is go to some temple nearby, or just go to your puja mandir, go to your altar room, and burn whatever lamp you usually burn the lamp, and just ask the gods for the indication whether you're in the right track, and I'm sure they are going to give you the right answer, and you will know that whatever decision you're taking, it is right. So just go with what your heart is asking you to do, or what your mind is asking you to do, because whatever you do today in your work is going to be victorious. Have a beautiful and a blessed day ahead. Thank you.